Hey guys, so today's video is just gonna be me doing my hair. Um, this is like a couple day old, braid out. There's a lot going on. So I'm gonna wash my hair and I think I'm gonna do like a slick back look. So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve that. So yeah. So starting off this whole process, I begin with washing my hair with the Kitty Kitty shampoo. It's really good for dry scalp and I've been using it for years. So then I'm sectioning off my hair to put conditioner in it, and today I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. So I just finger that through everywhere and then comb it through each section. And then I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask, and I'm going to add that to that section as well and finger it through. And then separating that big section off, I'm going to add shea butter and finger that through as well, and then comb it through, and then use my Denman brush to just make sure that my hair is super detangled and just ready to go. So after adding all of the products, I go ahead and twist my hair off, and I do that to each section. So here we are doing this process again with sectioning off my hair, then adding the conditioner, and then detangling. And then we add the Deep Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture, comb that through, and then add shea butter and then twist it all up. So now it's time to stretch my hair, and I do this with the blow dryer. So I just take out all the twists and comb them out. And I did all of that process to make sure that my hair was very moisturized for this style. So then I'm just using the comb attachment and going through my hair and stretching it out.
Two hours later.
So after my hair is all blowed out and stretched, I take the braids out. And then I start parting my hair. And just a tip with parting your own hair, I usually pull the comb from my nose all the way up to make sure that my part is straight. So a big tip with this style is doing it in sections. So I'm sectioning my hair off, and I'm going to start off with using the Eco Styler gel and just adding that to the back. And every time I add it, I use my Denman brush to brush it out, and then part, add some gel, and then brush it down. I'm also using this hard bristle brush as well. So as I'm continuing to part my hair and add the gel in layers, I'm also adding that hair to the ponytail. And also, disclaimer, I'm doing this with a middle part all the way down because I thought I was gonna do 2 buns, but then I ended up looking like Princess Leia, so we're just doing one single ponytail. But you'll see me do it in 2 sections, and I also kind of found this easier than just doing it all the way straight across. As I get closer to the top of my head, I start to use the ebb and edge control because I just find that it lays my hair better, and I usually have problems with the top of my hair lifting. So for my ponytail, I'm just using this Jamaican braiding hair. And then I'm gonna put my hair in the ponytail and just add some final touches. And also adding like edge control pomade to the part where your actual part is makes everything lay flatter as well. So then of course tie my scarf really tight. And then with the ponytail, I'm wrapping this rubber band through it so it's like a little holder, and just so I can wrap it around my bun. So then I just lay my edges and I'm all done.